If you're looking for easy dinner ideas and have leftover chicken to use, these buffalo chicken stuffed shells are for you. Start by cooking off your jumbo pasta shells and making sure that your chicken is shredded if needed. Once your pasta is cooked al dente, strain and place them on a large plate. Place your softened cream cheese in a large bowl and pour in your buffalo sauce and your ranch dressing. Mix everything until smooth. Then, add your shredded chicken and mix to combine. Spray a baking dish with non-stick spray and then start to assemble the shells. With a spoon, take some of the mixture and fill each shell before placing them in the baking dish. Repeat this step until all your shells are filled and you've used up all the mixture. Sprinkle the grated cheese on top, and into the oven it goes for 15 to 20 minutes. Drizzle with more buffalo sauce and sprinkle with green onions and you're ready to serve. Find the full recipe at FrenchesCook.com. Click on the icon to subscribe to our channel and on the video for more recipes.